Hello everyone, welcome back to Monarch Mom DIY. This is Cindy. If you're new here, I hope you'll go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you'll be notified of future videos. Today's video is a Dollar Tree Spring Farmhouse Porch Decor. I do use one board that was salvaged. It's 4 feet long, 10 inches wide, and 1 inch thick. I'm also using the wood contact paper, the Welcome Spring banner from the Dollar Tree, and this Hello World wall sticker. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know I usually love to use my Waverly chalk paint, but because this board is so large, I'm using this Rust-Oleum American Accents paint. It's a satin finish in the color Blossom White. I didn't bother doing the sides and the back, just one coat on the front. So I was very excited to find this banner because the letters are very large. So what I'm going to do is open up the package, and I'm just going to take the letters that spell out spring. You'll also see that I opened up the wood looking contact paper because that's what my letters are going to look like. So the great thing about this banner is I will be able to keep all these letters. I am planning on using the word welcome for another project, and it was just $1. So with my contact paper rolled out, I'm turning my letter over and I'm tracing it with Sharpie on the back of the contact paper. That way, when I cut it out, you won't see any Sharpie lines. So I hope you all are having a fabulous week. We are finally up into the 60s here in West Michigan. All the snow has melted and it just smells like spring is just around the corner. Now that my letters are all traced, I'm just going to go ahead and cut them out from the contact paper. I did put them then under something heavy to try and flatten them out just a little bit while I was working on another part of the project. And while you're watching me cut out the letters, I want to thank you all once again for your sweet comments on my videos and just being so supportive. We are getting very close to 10,000 subscribers. I believe today we almost are to 9,500. I will probably in my next video after this one go ahead and announce my giveaway for hitting 10,000 subscribers. So probably around 9,750 I will announce that. So make sure you hit that bell so that you'll be notified so you can enter that giveaway. I really thought the flowers on this wall sticker were just so beautiful, and so I'm only using the top flowers and the bottom flowers on this sign. Maybe I will use the Hello World on another project, but I'm going to finish cutting out the bottom of the top flowers and the top of the bottom flowers, if that makes sense, because the other side was already kind of cut out to peel off the backing. I was also very impressed with how thick this wall sticker was. Some of them are pretty flimsy, but this had a nice, almost cardstock quality feel to it, so it was easier to cut than the contact paper letters were. Okay, this part should look pretty familiar if you've seen any of my other DIYs. I have the word hello printed out from the computer. I just do a Google search for the word hello, and then I look at the images and I find one that I like. I save it to my computer and then print it out in Microsoft Word, and I can resize it there. I scribble pencil on the back, and then when I turn it over onto the board and I trace the letters, you'll be able to see it very lightly transferred onto the board. I think here I was trying to space out the letters that spell spring, and so much of the board is out of camera range. I apologize, but that's the great thing about using this contact paper is while it's not sticky yet, you can kind of rearrange how you want everything to look. And now I'm using my painter's marker made by Elmer's that I got at Walmart. This is a fine tip, and I'm just now tracing around my pencil markings, and then I will use the marker to fill in the letters. You'll also notice that I did go ahead and stick down the flowers at both the top and the bottom of my board. And then while my traced hello letters are drying a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and stick down the contact paper letters that spell spring. I found that the best technique for this is to kind of start to peel the backing from the top of the letter and lay it in place how you want it. Stick that top part down and then kind of gently peel the backing from the bottom as you stick the letter down. I'm really hoping I got a shot of me doing that so you'll understand what I mean. And here's what my board looks like. The letters were so large that I did have to stagger them a little bit, but I really like how it looks. It gives it a little more character. And you can also see that I did color in the word hello. I just love this board so much, and I hope you enjoy it too and are motivated to try one yourself. Thanks so much for joining me today. Check out some of these videos for what to watch next. See you soon. Bye.